Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all well. Today our topic is how to transfer data from PC to controller. There are two methods to transfer data. First one is via USB, second one is via RS-232 data cable. First of all, we will learn how to send file via USB. Now we are opening the box of Newker's controller USB. We will insert the USB into controller after copying the file from PC. We will press program, press B. Here is the file and we will import this file. The file has been imported to CNC controller. Now we can remove USB from CNC controller. We can run the program, press C. File name has been appear at the upper right corner of the screen. Press R2. We can run the program. And now we will learn how to send file via RS-232 data cable. These are the male-female 9-pin RS-232 connector you can see at screen. Here is the back side of the PC where connector will connect. These are the RS-232 cable connections. It is a female connector at the back side of controller. Here is the exe file for RS-232 data transfer software. Add transit CNC at the baud rate of 1150-200. Now we will click the file which we want to select. Now the software is ready to send file and waiting for the controller. Now we will go to controller for receiving file. Press J. Enter the program name. Find it. When we press enter, the file has been received in the controller. That's all.